Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the octane number. Octane number, it is a percentage of isooctane present in a standard mixture of isooctane and N-heptane, which knocks at the same compression as the petrol being under tested. That means it is a percentage of isooctane present in isooctane and N-heptane mixture, which shows the same knocking characteristic as the fuel under test. For example, gasoline with octane number 80 means this gasoline or petrol sample shows the same knocking characteristics of mixture of isooctane and N-heptane. In that mixture, isooctane is present 80% and 20% of N-heptane is there. So that isooctane percentage is given to that gasoline or petrol sample. Better the octane number of gasoline, better the fuel is for engine. So if the octane number increases, then the anti-knocking characteristic of petrol or gasoline will increases. Now we are going to discuss about the cetane number. It is the percentage of by volume of cetane present in a mixture of cetane and alpha methyl naphthalene, which has same knocking characteristics as the diesel under test. That means cetane number is the percentage of cetane or N-hexadecane, which is present in the mixture of 2-methyl naphthalene and N-hexadecane. For example, if the cetane number of diesel is 80, that means that diesel sample will show the same knocking characteristics as the mixture of cetane and alpha naphthalene mixture shows, in which 80% of cetane is there, 20% of alpha methyl naphthalene is there. Then the percentage of cetane number, that is 80, is given to that diesel sample. If the cetane number increases, then the anti-knocking characteristics of diesel is also increases. Now we are going to discuss about the power alcohol. When ethyl alcohol or alcohol is blended with petrol, that about 20 to 25%, and is used as a fuel for internal combustion engine, then it is called power alcohol. Alcohol is considered as an excellent alternative motor fuel for petrol engines, as it contains oxygen, which contributes to combustion. Gasoline blended with alcohol gives comparable performance as that of 100% unleaded gasoline with superior knocking properties. That means this power alcohol will shows the same anti-knocking characteristic as the unleaded gasoline will shows. Here alcohol is present about 20 to 25%. Alcohol contain higher percentage of oxygen in it than methyl tertiary butyl ether, that is MTBE, and hence bring about the complete oxidation of petrol more effectively. Because of it, it will shows the better anti-knocking characteristic than unleaded petrol. The alcohol is mainly obtained from the molasses, which contains sucrose. Sucrose is converted into glucose and fructose by means of yeast activation at the temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Then enzyme zymase converts glucose and fructose into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide by fermentation. So that this alcohol is mainly obtained from the sugar industries. The advantage of power alcohol are does not release carbon monoxide. That means it causes less environmental pollution. Alcohol is obtained from the molasses and agriculture process, hence it is a renewable source. It is obtained from the agricultural source. Because of that, it can be renewable several times. And alcohol is a biodegradable. That means it can be easily oxidized by the bacteria. This advantage of power alcohol is alcohol is a lower calorific value of petrol. If the alcohol is mixed with petrol, then the calorific value of petrol is decreases and it will decrease the efficiency. Alcohol is easily oxidized to acid. At higher temperature and pressure, alcoholic OH group easily oxidized into acid. Because of this, alcohol may causes the corrosion on the engine walls. Alcohol absorbs the moisture and it will dissolve in water. As a result of, there is a separation of alcohol and petrol layer take place, especially at low temperature. Because of this, it can reduce the ignition properties of that petrol. Now we are going to discuss about the biodiesel. Biodiesel means it is a mixture of monoalkyl esters of long chain fatty acids, which is obtained by the trans-esterification of vegetable oil and animal fats with alcohol using alkali as a catalyst. Biodiesel is a biofuel obtained from the renewable sources of energy such as a vegetable oil, animal oils by the trans-esterification. It mainly used as a fuel for diesel engine. Vegetable oils like a soybean oil, palm oil, sunflower oil can be used for the preparation of biodiesel. Chemical nature of biodiesel is oil can be converted into biodiesel by the process of known as trans-esterification. In this process, animal or vegetable oil are heated with excess amount of methanol in the presence of catalysts like sodium methoxide, potassium methoxide, NaOH or KOH. Catalyst should be free from the moisture, and any water in the process promotes the saponification and not trans-esterification. This trans-esterification means that it is defined as a reaction that occurs between the ester and alcohol, in which alkoxy group of the ester is replaced by the alcohol or vice versa. These reactions are called trans-esterification, and these reactions are catalyzed by the acids or bases. Now we are going to discuss about the synthesis of biodiesel. Here in the vegetable oil or animal oil, triglycerides are present. In the triglycerides, this R1, R2, R3 refers to long chain fatty acids. When this triglyceride is treated with excess amount of alcohol in the presence of NaOH, then trans-esterification will take place, where alkoxy group of ester is going to replaced with alcohol. Because of that, it is going to form the mixture of long chain fatty acids. It is going to give rise to mixture of long chain monoalkyl esters of long chain fatty acids is obtained. Along with there is a formation of glycerol. The advantage of biodiesel are it is a biodegradable, non-toxic, hence it is a environmental friendly. It can be used as an alternative fuel for compression ignition engine or can be blended with petroleum diesel and it is used. That means it can be directly used as a fuel or it can be blended with diesel. It is free from the sulfur compounds, Hence, after the combustion of biodiesels, whatever the exhaust combustion of products are obtained in that combustion products, they are free from the sulfurs, so that there is no formation of sulfur dioxide. Biodiesels are renewable source of energy because they are obtained by the vegetable oils. Disadvantage of biodiesels are cloud and pour points of biodiesel are higher than the diesel, can cause problem in fuel flow line, so it cannot be used in colder region. In the colder region, the viscosity of the biodiesel will increases. Because of that, the flow of fuel into the engine, it will get slow down. Hence, it cannot be used for the cold regions. Biodiesel may have dissolving action, in that rubber hoses and gaskets of engine may dissolve in it. Biodiesel strongly adhesive character, so that it can stick to the metal surfaces of engine and it can become gummy.